couldn't get the breaks.
Look, I'm sorry. You're just not good enough. You can't cut it with the 718.
Maria, what do you want to do with your life?
I gotta get a real job.
Honey built this studio with her dance career.
We all can't be like your daughter, Mrs. Daniels.
Now, she's got to take the first step to get a second chance.
Come dance with us.
I'll dance with you on one condition. We get on Battle Zone and we beat the 718.
Last season, the 718 set this place on fire.
You're not gonna be talking all that trash when we beat you on TV.
Now your girl's got a mouth on her.
From Universal Pictures.
You know how much dancing means to me.
You can do this.
5, 6, 7, 8.
And the director of Honey.
You need to come a lot stronger than this.
You gotta do something.
Let's bet.
I'm down as a road on the back street. Shotgun with a twin in the backseat. No one named you when it's just me. Pull up to the door like a pimp speed.
When the battle begins,
The best cruise from last year will be back.
go every step of the way.
We're not gonna lose.
Featuring music by Estelle, Baroom, and Far East Movement.
Dancing's how I say the things I want to say.
Honey 2.